Alright, welcome back. This is another video of me doing my homework. So, if you want to tag along, do some homework or something, or you just want to watch in the background or whatever. Alright, so, yeah. I put here, you're going to see on the screen, I think right here, yeah. You're going to see on the screen like a song, whatever song I'm playing in the background. This is my webcam. You know, I got my screen here. Alright, and this time, I'm not doing programming homework. I'm doing math homework. Okay, so, yeah. That's it. Let's get started. Alright. So, I have to... So right now I have to do this test. And, okay. So, I'm gonna do this question. Okay. I have a paper in front of me. I was thinking of adding a hand cam, but I think I'll do that in a later episode. So yeah, let's see. Okay. So the bag is being filled with 60 lollipops. There are 4 flavors: grape, cherry, apple, orange. How many ways does it fill the bag? If there must be at least 10 of each flavor. Okay. It's in here somewhere. This one, right? Distribute. This is my homework, bro. I just have to... Yo, wait, what? So these are the equations for that. Okay. 1. I just want to see here. I think this is the same type of question. No. Green eggs and ham. That's crazy. I remember reading that. This is... Wait, so a bag is being filled with 60 lollipops. So we're choosing 60 lollipops, and each one has to be one of 4 types. And also, there must be at least 10 of each flavor. So, I was trying to do this. I thought I had to do something with, like, so there would be 40. There's 10 grape, 10 cherry, 10 apple, 10 orange. That's 40 right there. So that's out of the way. And then you have 20 left. 20 more lollipops to choose. And so I think it's gotta be like 20 Wait. 4. Okay, wait. Is it like 20 choose 4? Something like that? Is this the correct lesson for... Okay, isn't it? Okay, it's gotta be something like this, right? Distinguishable balls. Because these are distinguishable flavors. There's 4 different types. And there's 60 bins. I suppose... Wait. No, it's the other way around. There's 4 bins. Oh, yes. And 60 indistinguishable balls. Yeah, that's gotta be it, right? Okay, let me write that down. So we got 4 bins. Okay, and 60 indistinguishable balls. Okay. Alright. So the question is, how many ways are there to assign different amounts of balls to each bin? Right. So I guess if you didn't have the restriction of having at least 10, then it would be simpler. So I'm gonna try that. Excuse me. Damn. Okay, so the number of different placement of n balls into m bins. So it's 4 choose 20. Is that what it is? No, it's not 4 choose 20. Wait, 4 permutation 20. 20 choose 4. Is that even an answer? This is what I'm getting. 20 choose 4 is this number according to my calculator. I have no clue if this is the correct answer though. I have almost like, I feel like it's a 50-50 chance at this point. Like I have no clue. Because sometimes I thought I had the right answer, but it just turned out to not be that answer. And I was like, oh, that's why it's that answer. So I think I'm gonna revisit this question now that I kind of know okay, wait, what is this? What is this? Yeah, combinations and permutations. So the balls are indistinguishable. Let's say there are no restrictions, and that we already had the 40, so we're left with the thing I said, 20 balls in 4 bins. So the balls is n, bins is m. So I'm gonna use this formula on the calculator Right, so we have 4 plus 20 minus 1. And then we have bins minus 1. Okay, that gives me this number. What? What? What's the difference? Oh. So if I do this, this is just at least one ball per bin. But that is not, that's not our restriction. We're not supposed to have that. So, huh. Jesus, I think I have to memorize this or something. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have to memorize this. Dude, gotta memorize this. Let's see, I think now this is correct because, did I word this properly? So you have bins and balls and there are restrictions on the number of balls per bins. Okay. I don't really know why they put this sentence. I don't understand that sentence. It must evenly divide. Oh, I mean that's true, yeah. Okay, it says, for example, each bin can hold at most one ball. And then the number of bins must at least be n the number of balls. Yeah. Yes, I know that, I guess. But I don't really need these. These two don't apply to my scenario. Okay, so yeah, I think this is correct to do this one. And okay, I guess that makes sense. At most one ball per bin. That's not true. Same number of balls in each bin. No. And no restrictions. Yes, that is what I've been doing. And the balls are indistinguishable. I do not discriminate on lollipops. I only have 4 bins of flavors, but the lollipops themselves, I guess, don't. They're all the same or something. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna continue. I think that's pretty good. All right. Okay. This one I'm pretty sure I know how to do. Just so you guys can see it, I think it's this one. Okay, I think it's this one. Where you just have options and then you like multiply how many stuff is in each option and then you get your amount that is possible. So it says tag store advertise you can build your own custom desktop computer. Choices, right? Choices for parts include one of each 8 cases. Wait, what? Okay, so you choose one of 8 cases. 6 motherboards, 9 CPUs, 4 GPUs, 10 memory units, whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna multiply all these numbers together and see what I get. 8 times 6 times 9 times 4 times 10 times 8 times 3 times 4 is 165 something, whatever. Okay. All parts are work with each other. Okay. Yeah, I think it's just this. I think that means they have to all be together, which makes it one of these things, which is like they gotta be together, and then you just multiply all the possibilities or whatever. Okay. Okay. How many length 7-bit strings begin and end with a 1 or start with 0, 0? I can do this. I think I know how to do this. Alright. So a bit string is just a sequence of zeros or ones. Okay. You know, this is why I should have a hand cam, not gonna lie. Because I'm just gonna write it down on my paper. But whatever. Just write it down. So how many length 7-bit strings begin and end with a 1? So that would be 2 to the power of 5. 32 bit strings satisfy this thing, begin and end with 1. But the start with 0, 0 is also 2 to 5. But we're just going to add those two, so I think it's 64. And yeah, you add because this is an OR, so you do this 2 to 5, whatever, plus start with 0, 0 means 2 to the 5 because you have taken 2 of the spaces in the 7-bit string, giving you 5 different bits left to work with, which could each be 2 things. So it's 2 to the 5 possibilities. And the same thing with this. If it begins and ends with the 1, that means you have taken 2 possibilities away, because there's a 1, you know there's a 1 in the beginning, 1 in the end, and that leaves you with 5 possibilities. That's 2 to the 5 possibilities. There's an OR right here, meaning you add these 2 things, and it's 64. So this I do not entirely, I don't know how to do this yet. I was reading how to do that. Let's see. What is it, counting? This one? Is it the bijection rule? Or something? Is this? Oh, this is a weird one. What is this? Oh my goodness. It's here. So yeah, we have k to 1. Right. Let's see. So each function below has the domain 1 to 30 and the range here 0 to 9. That is, there are 30 things in here, and here we have 10 things. So already you just got to find a function that goes from x to y, I guess, a bijection, and then you will have your 3 to 1, because already this is 3 times as many things as this set. So we just got to find a mapping between the two. Oh, the music. I think I want to listen to Crystal Castles, because they're so awesome, bro. Yeah, well, this is good too. So it says, which function is the correspondence from x to y? So from x to y. So we're supposed to go from 30 items to the 10. Okay. I don't really know which one of these it is. So I'm just gonna type it out on the calculator. So we got x mod 10. It's probably this one, right? Mod 10. It's probably just that one, mod 10, yeah. Cause this makes it so that whatever you put in here is limited to 10, like 10 options. Mod 10. But I don't really know if that's the case. So I'm just gonna scroll on by, see if there's any mention of modulus, even though that does look pretty enticing, the modulus. Okay, well, here's the definition. It says let x and y be finite sets. The function going from x to y is a k to 1 correspondence if for every y in the y set there are exactly k different inputs. Exactly k different inputs from the input set. Okay, I see now. So, okay, let me check this. So for every one thing, there has to be 3 things in this set that when you give it in the function, it brings it to the one of these. Okay, so I'm just gonna validate this manually. I don't really know if this is how you do it, but I don't care. Alright, so we got mod 10. What I'm doing is I'm looking through the function thing on my calculator. I just plugged in x mod 10 and I'm sifting through it, and I'm just kind of checking that. No, this is, I think this is correct. I think this is correct. Yeah. I think my logic was correct anyways. If you go to mod 10 anyways, it's gonna bring it to like here to there, whatever, I don't know. Because like if you did mod 3, it would only output like 0, 1, 2, 3. No, it would just do 0, 1, 2. It wouldn't even do the other ones. So this is obviously not right. This is the ceiling function. Oh, what if it's this one? Wait a minute. Ceiling function. Maybe it's the floor function. Is the good one. I don't know if I even have that on my calculator. I have an integer thing where it gets only the integer part. That's probably gonna count for something. Alright, let's see. 1, 2. Oh, come on. This one gives similar results. Because when you go to 30, wait a minute. So, does this work? X over 3. Input over 3. So if I did 30 divided by 3, which is 10. 10. But there is no 10. So that does not work, right? And this one, it just doesn't like make sense. Why would you have, why would you divide by 10? That's like gonna give you so many. Yeah, that's not right. Alright, I think that's correct. So now we have the same kind of question. We got 5 to 1 instead of 3 to 1. Okay. So G has the domain Y. And the target Z. What is the cardinality of Z? Isn't it Isn't it y? The cardinality of y divided by 5. Right? Okay. What is the cardinality of y? Okay. So it says it's in between 1 and 100. So that is 100 right there. 100 things. Integers. But it has to be divisible by 2 at the same time. So how many numbers here are divisible by 2? Well, I think it's half, right? So it's going to be 50. 50 divided by 5 is 10. So could be that, I suppose. I think that is correct. I am tempted to write a Python script that just iterates all these things, but I could do it manually. Alright. I think I should do it manually because, you know, I think I should. You know, actually, no. Let me just... No, does that make sense? Mod 2? Divided by 2. Does that make sense? Because it's every odd number. No, I think it makes sense. Because it's like you're taking out every other number in this set, which is half. So this is 50, right? And then z is going to be divided by 5. 50 divided by 5 is 10. So, okay. Okay. A call sign is made of 4 characters, beginning with an English letter. Okay, and ending with 3 digits. Okay. I have a plan for this question. There was a question earlier, a similar question, and I solved this one by multiplying 26 times 10 to the 3, right? Yeah, okay, because you have 4 characters. The first character is an English letter, which there are 26 English letters, and then the last 3 digits are numbers, which there are 10 of, so you do 10 to the 3rd. Okay, and here we have also 4 characters beginning with an English letter and ending with 3 digits, so the same thing, but the numbers do not repeat. I remember how to do this, I think. Very simple trick. You do 10. So the first character, you know, is an English letter, so 26 possibilities. The second character is a digit, which you have 10 of, and the next one is also a digit, but now you only have 9 number possibilities because you used one of them in the, like, for the second digit. So the second character, so you do 26 for the letter times 10 digits times 9 digits times 8 digits, because it goes down by 1 every time. And yeah, it's just that. So cool. Alright. Okay. This one. Okay. So it says the university faculty are going to line up per photo, seated shoulder to shoulder. The faculty consists of 2 math faculty and 3 computer science faculty and 2 science faculty. So how many ways are there for faculty to line up? So the math faculty are seated next to each other. Okay. This one, I like this song. Let's see. So, okay, there's 8 possibilities. There's 8 seats. There's 2, 5, wait, what? 7. There's 7 seats. My bad. The mental math is not today. Just kidding, it is. So we got 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. So we got 7 seats. The requirement is that the math faculty have to sit next to each other. So that's kind of like a bit string, kind of. And this is the alphabet. Is you got these faculty members and whatever. So, okay. Let me just write this down because I don't really know entirely. So you have two. What I'm gonna do is, I don't really know actually what to do there. No, I'm gonna write it down. Okay, so we got 7 possibilities, right? I'm gonna use 0 and 1 to indicate the math faculty, and then the other things I'm just gonna put an X, and yeah, I guess. Okay. So, yeah. So we got 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I don't want to put X's. I want to put something else because that takes forever. Alright, I'm gonna put like a, I don't know, like a underline or something. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Was that actually loud? Let me check. I don't want to cough again, actually. I don't want to do that to you guys. Okay, wait. It might be a little loud. Let me turn it down a little and speak a little louder. Just so that when I cough, it's not going to be so loud. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. That's probably better. Alright. So, I got 0, 1 stuff, 1, 0 stuff. And, yeah, so I got 2 for every one of these thingies. So I got 2 here, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 different ways to move up the math faculty. So 12 different seating arrangements for the math faculty, but that's not including the possibilities for the other 5. And they're asking for the entire faculty, not just the 2 math faculty. So yeah, there's 12 ways for the math faculty, and then we're going to multiply 12 by all the rest of the 5. So we have, I don't know how many possibilities for that one. Let's see, I think it's 5. Wait. There's 5 faculty left. And how do you permutate? I think order matters. So I'm gonna use permutation. So isn't it just like 5 permutation 5 or something? I'm guessing, is that... What even is 5 permutation 5? 120. So that sounds about right in my head. Let's do 5 combinations 5. What is that? That's 1. Okay. So I think 12 times 5 permutation 5 is the correct answer, I guess, which is this. Yes. I believe this is the answer. I mean, at least it was an answer, and I counted 12 different seating possibilities by hand. So 12 is kind of like a magic number for this, and I assume that that would make this answer correct. Maybe these are simpler and not, I don't know, whatever. This one looks kind of weird. 4, 3. Where does that 3 come from? Nah, I'm joking. Alright, how many different strings of length 10 with the alphabet X, Y contain 3 X's? Exactly 3 X's. How many different strings? So I think there's another permutation thing, but this one is a little weird. Because the X's can go anywhere in the string, I suppose. Okay, wait, what? Okay, so, whoops. Okay, I'm thinking if we combine combinations with permutations, I'm just thinking out loud here, but don't we like multiply how many combinations of places we can put the 3 X's in, times the permutations of the other one, the Y's can go? Or is it, wait, how many different strings of length 10? Different strings, if they have exactly... I think it's just the permutations of the X's. Because then you're just left with the Y's, which makes them all the same. So you don't have to count the Y's, you only count how many different combinations do you have with the X's? Permutations. No, what is it? Combinations or wait. I'm going I gotta focus, dude. I'm like, okay, so you have strings of length 10. Okay. So this is the same question of like binary, right? It's like 0 or 1, and it's like how many strings are there? Bit strings of length 10 that contain exactly 3 zeros. But I mean that doesn't help. It's the same type of question. All right. Let me try the 3. Wait, 10. Choose 3. 10 choose 3. Is that what would that be good? 120. I got 120, which is the same as this one, kind of weirdly. I got 120 in the calculation of this one as well. That's interesting that they did that. Maybe they're trying to trick me that it wouldn't be 120, but I'm still not sure. Is this permutation? Okay. What if I did permutation? So 10 permutation 3. So 10 permutation 3 is 720. But I would I would say that the order doesn't matter because it's all the same x's and y's. So the exact choice of the x's, like where they go, I guess, doesn't matter. So there probably would be combinations. So I guess it is 120. I mean, this one, okay, this one I'm tempted to write a Python script, like just to verify my my answer. The problem with this is I will not have access to Python when I take my final exam for this class, and I do not want to have to depend on verifying my answers, but this is just to test my hypothesis that I can use this like combinations to solve this type of problem. So I think I'm okay. All right, let's search it up. Let's search it up. Alright. Let's just paste that. Jesus, dude. That. Oh my God, the ads. So many ads. This ad just. What is this, dude? You can't. It doesn't even go down. That's crazy. Oh my God. No, wait, bro. I'm gonna turn on my freaking. Turn on my app. I don't know why I disabled it. Oh my God. What is this? Yes, ad block. Look at that. So much more space. I'm sorry, online-python.com. Alright, but I would like no ads. Okay, I don't really care. Okay, so we're trying to count how many different strings of length 10 with the alphabet. XY contain exactly 3 x's, so I would have to generate all of the possible different strings of length 10 with this alphabet. Okay guys, this is I don't really know how to do that. I don't really know how to do that, so I'm just gonna continue. Okay, it says here faculty are being chosen for a committee. Okay, the faculty, so we have, okay, with these people again. Oh my God. My God, bro. Alright, fine. Fine, I'll figure this out. Okay, wait a minute. I think there's a lesson for this. Is it this one? The multi-sets. A multi-set. Three chalk chip. This is very. The heck is this? Code word. Why would you use a code word? I mean, I understand. Code word. Oh my God, they're using the code words for encoding a set. That's pretty cool. Oh my God, they used the bijection. Yes, that is a previous lesson. It's like the second one. Okay, that's cool. Alright, so they have bijection is defined between the set of possible cookie selections and a certain set of binary strings called code words. Okay. 12 cookies for 4 varieties. Okay. So how do you generate this certain set of binary strings? Okay. Oh, I mean, that's pretty easy. Okay. So you kind of just put as many bits for each category. Like how many you can have. And then if you have 3 chocolate chip, I would like to say that's 111, but they put 000. And then like whatever. And they put a 1 to delimit the code word. What if you didn't even put a 1? What if you just treated it like just like, I don't know, whatever. You're just counting them, it doesn't matter. Alright. And -1 is number of ones in the code word, okay. N is the number of zeros in the code word. Number of varieties, okay. Number of items to select. This is the number selected from the first variety, yes. Is the number of zeros before that. Number selected, yes. The ith variety is just a number of zeros in between or whatever. Okay. Number of distinct code words equals the number of distinct selections. What? Okay, guys, I'm going blank. I'm going blank right now. I think this is the correct. That looks weird. Yeah, sometimes that happens. I just refresh, fixes it. Okay, bro, this looks like DNA. What is this? This is like 2 organisms about to fuse or something, or like, or they just split. Ah. This is so funny. This is like magic. The 2 zeros before the first one represents 2 chocolate chip cookies. Yes. Here we have 4 sugar cookies, the 4 zeros. You have 1 ginger cookie and 5 oatmeal cookies. Oh. The cookie selection consists of this, yeah. And it says the code word contains no zeros until, okay, this the code word represents 7 ginger, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Mapping cookie selection to code words. Yes, I know this. Okay. Okay. Oh, they keep saying it. Okay, so mapping between cookie selections and code words is a bijection. Alright. Wait, isn't this the formula that I used for the freaking bins? Isn't that the... That's the bins thing. Yeah, this is right before the bins lesson. Okay. Those are some tasty looking chocolate bars. Alright. So how many ways can the community be formed if it must contain 2... Let's see how that looks. Okay. I just wanted to know if the song fit. Like it didn't go over. Okay, how many ways can the community be formed if it must contain 2 math? Okay. Okay, I think I know what to do. I'm gonna represent this as the bins, and this time we're gonna have distinguishable balls in the bins. So we're gonna have committee. Each wait. What do we so the faculty consists 4 math faculty, 6 computer science, and 2 science. So hello. What's up? What's up? Going to sleep.
Saturday? Yeah, you go to sleep late.
Yeah.
Saturday go to Walmart. Cool.
Okay. I'll go if we go. Like.
Yeah. Everything okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should I camp here in this room?
Should you? I don't know.
I don't know. Should I stay here?
You should do whatever you want. Okay. I've been good. I hope so. I hope I've been good. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, no. From that or something.
Yeah.
I'll take that as a yes.
Ang.
I'm gonna go to bed.
Okay.
Saturday, we're here at Walmart.
Okay.
Should go to the store, yeah?
Yeah, sure. Good night. That was kind of funny. Alright. I'm just a little embarrassed to be talking while making a video. So I'm gonna wait a little bit before talking again. Cause I'm just a little embarrassed, but that's okay. I'm still gonna do my homework. Nah, screw this barrel. Screw this barrel. Alright, I am going to play for 10 minutes. Alright, my PO. We got growth, arms race, 4-team deathmatch. You're gonna see me as Banana Turd. Alright, I don't want chat message. I might get chat messages. Oh, look at this. I'm trapped. Alright, let's see. What should I even pick? This is arms race, so we can do probably. I kind of want to do this character. Let's try this one. This one is fun. He's just waiting for me to spawn, bro. Get out of here. He's laughing. That's so mean. He's laughing. I'll get you, Mr. Update plus at 3D. Alright, let's see. Alright. I wanna see what I can do here. Okay, let's do that one. Again, let's try this one. Alright. Alright. Ooh, we're at mid right now. That's good for me. If I can Doctor House. It's lupus. It's not lupus. Okay. Okay, wait. I don't wanna pick this class, but I don't know what else to pick. Oh my god, I'm sorry, buddy. Sorry, I'm being 2, 3, 4, 7. Give me payment. Give me payment. XP. Give me XP. Alright, good. Thank you, sir. Oh, what is this stuff going on here? What is this going on here? Fight the horde. Oh, somebody just died. Dude, what was that about? Oh, the whole team is here now. Cool. Alright. I'm gonna follow the herd for a little here. Okay. Let's see where this takes us. Alright. Oh, there's a thingy here. Oh, shoot. Oh! That almost killed me. Oh my goodness. Oh. You're not gonna take me alive. Where's my team? Oh, they moved already. Alright. No more of this. Oh, there's something. Oh. Oh. Okay, wait. I want to go to mid because I want XP. I want to see if something's happening here. Dude, that is a huge freaking. Is he in the leaderboard? Yes, bro. He's top banana on the leaderboard. He's second place, and third place is another one. So first place is 12 million. That's a big number. Alright, let's see if we can get any. Am I still? Yeah. Okay. There's a lot of stuff happening here. Oh my god, that's. No, there's no way. Nice. Bro, I'm not gonna get any XP in here. Unless we like corner another team. I don't think we have the firepower for that, or. Oh! No! Oh my god, what is this? Okay, I don't know what to do. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's be a sniper. This one, kinda. And I'm gonna choose to be really slow and weak, but I will shoot faster. Alright, let's see how far we go. I'm gonna choose to go this way. I just want to see if I can get like some kills or something, or you know, just some kills. Okay, our team is doing kind of alright. As a herd, we're doing alright because they're dying. Never mind. they're not doing that good. Alright, this guy, let's try to Let's try to cheese a kill here. Oh, 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 please, please. Oh. Yes. Now I have to run away from the big triangle. Yes, sir, I got a kill. Alright. Oh, there's Mr. Taco. No! Survive, Mr. Taco. I've seen him before on this game mode. Oh my god, he almost got me there. I hope that guy protects us with his thingies. Oh, oh, please. Please. I can get this kill right. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Okay. There's people over here. You see, this was a good choice, alright. I can see more with this tank. I can see more, I can shoot longer distance. It's my kind of tank right now, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I killed someone. I didn't think that would actually kill him. You always gotta, you know, sometimes you get the kills and you didn't even know. Alright, let's see. So there's people here. Okay, let's see if I can cheese this a little. Hey there, guys. Oh, okay, this is not cheesing. Cheese! No, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get that. Okay, it's time to retreat, actually. Oh my god, it's... No! Please. Oh, I'm done for. No! No! I waited too long to You know, I could have just gone down. Yeah, I could have gone down here. Okay. That was a good run, though. Alright. Let's try the same build. The same exact build. Where do we even go from here? This is not good because our team is separated. Okay, I got a minute and a half left of gaming time. I'm gonna miss this game time, but it's gonna be worth it. Alright, okay, we got a good little troop thing here. Okay, ooh, let's see if we can... We can't cheese that, right? We can't get that kill. Nah. Alright, something is happening here, guys. There's a lot of people fighting right here. A lot of bullets. Oh, we got something happening. I don't think I can even... This dude is defeating us right now. Oh my god, we gotta go down. But these people... What is this? What is this? No. Okay, wait, maybe I can shoot through this a little. Oop. Haha. Cheese it up. Cheese it up. Alright, wait. Which one can I snipe? This guy, maybe? Get some hits on him? No, we can't. Oh, he's just... Alright. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Oh, my god. Ah, there's no more gaming. Alright, back to coding. Coding. Okay, so this question... What was I doing? I was doing the bins. The bins. Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's look at the bins. And let's just look at the equations. Okay, so I don't really like the bin analogy. this is more like a multi-set. So okay. Maybe we can do the code word. The code words. Yes. Okay. So we can probably do the code word thing. Remember this? This one, right? Multi-sets. Code words. I'm gonna try to do a code word in count using that. So let's see. All right. Okay, so we're gonna need. Okay, but it can't just be this, right? Huh. Code words. So it says it must be formed with 2 math, 3 computer science, and 1 science faculty member. I don't really like this song that much. I'm not looking for this style of rhythm. Bro, I low-key, you know, I listen to Dax. Don't lie, I listen to Dax. I know. Alright, anyways. Okay. So, what I'm thinking is the binary thing, the binary string. So we have math faculty, 4 of them, right? And we have 6 computer science. And we have 2 science. And the restriction is we need two 1s for the math, 3 1s for computer science, and 1 for the science. Okay. Okay, so I think what I gotta do here is 3 permutations. But okay, here's my choice now. Do I do combinations or permutations? So I'm representing this as a bit string. So we're gonna have 4 digits, 4 1s or 0s, 6 1s or 0s, and 2 1s or 0s. And the requirement here that I'm putting is, it says we need 2 math. That means there's going to be 2 1s in this bit string. This one means there's going to be 3 1s in this bit string, and this means there's going to be 1 1 in this bit string. And all the different ways of doing that, I don't know if I'm gonna like add these together or multiply them. Maybe multiply, I don't know. It's probably multiplying. Yeah. Okay. So I think it's probably like 4. So I don't know, permutation or combination. So permutation is when the order matters. I'm gonna try permutations. Alright, I'm just gonna see what number I get, see if it makes sense. Okay, so 2 for permutation 2. Okay.
Maybe, just maybe, you're blind and the hate inside your
6.
heart clouds your eyes and your
Permutation
mind and your ears when
3.
I rhyme.
2.
Even though we both
Permutation
know
1.
we're the best of all
2. 8. 8.
time.
0.
Maybe you're just a fucking bitch and I can't stop comparing me to people who are not in my league. Stop saying I don't believe in God just because you can't read. Stop making fake profiles so you can spam my feed. I'm not alone. I know there's millions out there just like me.
Alright, let's see. So a basketball team has 12 players. Coach, the low-key, the laugh is distracting me a little, but it's alright. Okay, so basketball team has 12 players.
First off, fuck Santa Claus, he ain't never done shit for a nigga like me. People been hating
Dude, I think this song is so funny. Dude, it's called The Grinch. He's rapping as if he was the Grinch. Is that not hilarious? Like, I think that's funny, dude. I love this song. Okay, so a basketball team has 12 players. The coach must select the starting lineup. I don't know what that means, but okay, so she'll select a player for each of the 5 positions. How many ways are there for her to select the starting lineup? So that's the lineup, right? The 5 positions. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, it's just okay. So what is it? This has to be really simple, right? Like 12 choose 5 or like 12 permutation 5. Okay, this is a little vulgar, so I don't know how this is gonna end up on YouTube, but yeah. Let's see. I think it's 12 choose 5. Doesn't really matter what order. Probably. Right? It's gotta be. This sounds kind of simple. You have 12 players, and you're choosing 5 of them. Alright. That's cool. Okay, so this camp offers 4 different activities for an elective. The capacity in each activity is limited so that at most 5 kids... Oh my god. This isn't that complicated, to be honest. But I just see these equations and I'm like, oh my god. Alright, so it says the capacity in each activity is limited. So 5 kids can do archery. 10 can do hiking. All this, there are 30 kids. Um, 33, 3? 4 times 34? It's probably this one, just by elimination. Wait, 30 choose 5? But why is it going down? 25, choose 10. 30, choose 5. This, oh my god, this one just feels wrong. I mean, can it be this one? There are 30 kids in the camp. Archery. Okay, the only way I would accept this to be correct is if you can put this in any arbitrary order. So like the 35, like you can mix the second numbers. So the 5 could be here, the 10 could be here. Wait, it's just 5 and 10. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna try it out. Alright, let's see. So 30, choose 5. 25, choose 10. 15, choose 5. 10, choose 10. Is a really big number. Alright, but I'm gonna swap it now. So all the 5s will be 10s and all the whatever's whatever. So okay, so 30, choose 10. 25, choose 5. 15, choose 10. 10, choose 5. Is a different, larger number. Do so it's probably one of these two then, huh? Because what is the reasoning behind doing 30 choose 5 is correct, and then the next one has to be 25 choose 10? Does it matter what order you put them in? It apparently matters because I multiplied it and the two numbers are different. Did I type it right? 10 choose 5. 15 choose, wait, 10, 15. Did I even put the last one? 10, yes. I don't really know. I don't really care. Okay, I think this one's wrong. Maybe this would be quicker if I just tried to solve it normally. Like reading the question. Okay, so we have 4 different activities. How many words are there to assign the kids to the activities? So 30, choose something. Okay. Okay, my problem is there, I mean, there's a limit to each. Okay. I'm gonna revisit this. Okay, so this one's weird. University faculty are going to line up for photos, seated shoulder to shoulder. The faculty is these. There's 7 of them. 7 of them. How many words are there for the faculty to line up? So the math faculty are not seated next to each other. Okay. This is the exact opposite of the other one. Because the other one we had 7 seats as well. 2 math faculty. And this time it says they are not supposed to be seated next to each other. And the one I calculated the other time was when they were sitting next to each other. So what is that? Okay, what about... I'm just trying to figure out how to even set this up. Like how many combinations do we have? I'm trying to count it. I'm trying to represent this as a binary string again because of the math faculty thing. There's only 2 of them, so I could put them as 0 and 1 and whatever. Um, okay, okay, wait, how long have I been recording? I think I want to... Okay, not even that long. It's only been an hour. You know, it's only been an hour, 20 minutes. That's not that crazy. Okay, so... so they can't be seen next to each other. Let me just try this out. So I got this. One, two. I gotta move this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 more. 1, 4. There's 3 more. Okay. So that's if the 1 is in the first position. 1, 2, 1. I'm counting by hand how many positions this thing could be in, but whatever. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0. Wait, is this? Wait. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of them. I could just. 1, 2, 4, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how many there are for that one. There's gonna be 2. 1. This is taking kind of a long time, but that's alright. Okay, so we got. So this is the first thing, and then we got 5. Got this. That's how many is for this one. We got the 0 here. And then, so this is all going to be times 2. Right? time. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. 2 to the 7 minus 12. Is that what it is? Right? 116? What did I get for the other one? 2,880? I mean, there's 12 ways for only counting for the math faculty. There's 12 ways for them to sit next to each other. Or was it 24? Damn it, I should have just... Let's see if I have it on my calculator. I totally forgot. No, I put 12. Is that correct? 12. Because there's 6 thingies and then... Yes, so there's 12. Okay, I put 1440. I put 2 something for what? Oh no, that's not that. No. This one. Yes, 1440. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. 1440. I put 12 times, so there's 12 different ways. And okay. So apparently all the possibilities of permutating 2 digits among 7 different places. I wonder what that is. It's probably 7 choose 2, right? Permutation 2? 7 permutation 2 is 42. Minus 12 is 30. Apparently. So there's 42 ways of doing that. 7 choose 2. 7 choose 2. Is that what I'm doing? 7 permutation 2. I'm gonna have to trust it, because if I ended up with 30 on this, doing this weird calculation, this has to be right. Okay, this has to be right. So it's 30 then. I mean, I was doing it manually. Right now, I'm gonna do it manually. I just can't. Okay, so now that I have connected this to permutations, I will verify it manually. And I just want to see if it's correct. The logic was correct. So this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Different options, and then go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna go to the middle with this thing. All right. Right. So we got that. I'm done. We got dish. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 times 3 plus 5. Times 2 is 34. That's kind of weird. Is that correct? What? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay. There's different ways of permutating this. Yeah, there's different ways of doing this. Okay. So if the 1 was here... So when the 1 is on an end, it has 5 different ways of going. If it's not on the end, it has 4 different ways. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, it is correct. Right? 60. I got 30. From this thing, I got 5 times 4 plus 5 times 2. 5 times 4, yeah. And then I multiplied by 2 because you can swap the 1 and 0. I suppose. No, you can't swap them, right? Because we have the 1 in like every place. Like for example, like a 0 being here. So it is 30. Yeah. So it's 7 choose. Wait, no. Right? 30. 7 permutation 2 minus 12 is 30. And 12 is all the ways they can be together. So if they're all separated, yeah. So wait, 7 choose 2. Yeah, minus 12, okay. That's very tedious, but now I'm kind of used to that. Counting with bit strings, so that's good. I don't know, I multiplied by 2, but that was a mistake, but now I see that. Okay, so there's 30 ways for them to... There's 30 math faculty permutations. Now let's just multiply by... what are we multiplying by? It's 5 other faculty members. What is it? 5 choose 5? Is that what it is? No, not 5 permutation 5. Yes, sir. Okay. 5. Is that right? Is that right? 5. That has to be right because we only have 5 faculty members, and we're moving them all along 5 different places, so permuting them, and yeah, it's 120. 5 permute 5 is 120. Okay, so we got 120 times 30 is 3,600. Boom. I don't know if that's correct, but we will find out. We will definitely find out. Okay, I have a proposition to code this using Python. What if we just make a big set of all the strings that I don't know. We just do that. I don't freaking know. I don't know, bro. I could make a program to do it. I'm probably gonna do it at the end, just to check. You know, just to check. But yeah. All right. So an IT manager is placing an order of soda for a party. There are 8 varieties of soda, and they are sold in cases. Okay, each case contains a single variety. So how many ways can the manager buy 12 cases if they want to have at least 1 case of each variety? So this is very similar to the ball bin thing that I did up top here. This one. I did something. I did the bins and indistinguishable balls, and I chose like 20 of them or something like that. Okay, so let's go back. There are 8 varieties of soda, and they want to get 12. They want at least 1 case of each variety, so they're gonna get 8. 1 of each, at least. Right. Alright, let's just try this out. So if we have 12 minus 8, so we have 4 left, and so I guess we're just gonna do okay. I'm pretty sure this is 4, 8, choose 4. 8 combination 4 is 70, so that can't be right. Wait, so 12 minus 8 is 4. There's 8 varieties, we're choosing 4. Is it permutation? No. No. How many ways can the manager buy 12 cases if they want to have at least 1 case of each variety? Oh my god. Yo, what kind of question is this? Bro, I don't know why I yawned. I'm not even, I mean, I'm a little tired, but it is what it is, brother. Alright. Okay, I need to check this. Oh. Okay. At most 1 ball per bin, no. So this does not have the restriction. Okay, so what I think this is we can say there's 8 bins, right? And we are choosing, we have 4 left, right? So why is it not 8 choose 4? It would be 8 choose 4 if it said at most 1 ball per bin, apparently. but we're doing this apparently. So, okay, so we add a -1. Okay. I'm gonna try that. So I got this thingy. We got the bins -1. I got 330. 330. M is bins. Yeah, we got 8 bins. 4 balls left. Okay, that makes sense. 330. Alrighty, so cookie store sells 10 varieties of cookies. It has a large supply of each kind. Okay, how many ways are there to select 12 cookies? Why does it matter if it has a large supply? Are they just saying there can be a large number of them? Like it doesn't matter how many... Okay, so I think I know what's happening here. So we got 10 bins and 10 bins and 12 balls, indistinguishable. And there's no restriction, so I'm just gonna do the same formula. 10 plus 12 minus 1, choose. Bins -1 is 293, 930. I guess that's correct. Alright, this is what I don't know. I have to practice this. Lexicographical order. Okay. Yeah, so there's algorithms. Excuse me. Okay, so lexicographic order is where you are you're ordering them compared to the first entry where they differ. Words in a dictionary are often ordered in that order. The word comment appears where compared because the first place is where they differ is the M there. M appears before P in the alphabet, so yes. Although words of different lengths can be ordered, this material only compares them of the same length. Okay, so it's about like permutations. Okay. So this is about integer permutations. So that's, yeah. And then, so initialize P. So we got P equals next permutation. How do you do next permutation? Okay, so it says let K be the largest. What is this? Let K be the largest index such that the thingy at K has to be smaller than the next one. If no such K exists, is the last permutation. So what? The largest index such that this is smaller than then the next one. What does that even mean? So you're finding K, I guess, to be defined like this. The largest index such that the thingy, the element there is smaller than the one after it. Okay. So you find the rightmost integer that is smaller than the one next to it, to the right of it. And then that's that. And then it says pj be the smallest element. What? What? Be the smallest element that is after k. So there has to be the smallest element after k. But also it has to be larger than the kth element. What the? Okay, that's kind of funny. So what you do is you look after the kth element, look for all the elements that are larger, and then get the smallest one. And then you swap them. And then reverse, what the hell? Reverse the order? Okay, so you swap them. And you flip everything after K. Alright, I guess I have to try that algorithm out. That's a bit of a brain malfunction right there. Alright. So let's try this out. So we got 1, 5, 4, 2, 3, 6. So we're gonna find the largest K that is smaller than the one after it. I see the 3 is smaller than the 6, so this is K. And I guess so J would have to be anything after this that is larger than the kth element, which is 6, but also is the smallest of all of them. But there's only 6, so that would be J. So then you swap them, so you would get 1, 5, 4, 2, 6, 3, and then you reverse the order of everything after, but there's only one element, so you can't, it doesn't matter. So it's 1, 5, 4, 2, 6, 3. Yes, sir. Okay. Alright, let's try this one. So let's see, 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, 3. Alright, so let's get. So the 4 is the K. 5 is J, because it is the largest, of the elements after K that is larger than 4, which is 6 and 5. 5 is the smallest, so we got that, and then we just swapped them. So we got 2, 1, 5, 6, 4, 3. And then we reverse the order of everything after K. So we get 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 6. 2, 1, 5, 3, 4, 6. Oh my god, I did it. Wow, that's pretty cool. You think I can do this in my head? Okay, so the smallest one going from the right to the left you know, we got 5 is smaller than 6, finally. Alright, and then what you do is you swap them, and then you reverse the order. So we got 6, 5, but, so we got 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. Look at that, guys. Not too difficult. Not too difficult. Alright, look at this. Easy peasy question. Hey, look, I just did this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it the same thing? Yes, it is. Anyways, so we find the smallest 5, swap it 6, 5, and you flip everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, sir. Alright. Alright, look at that. Okay, back to these annoying freaking questions. I don't like these questions. The counting questions just throws me off. Because I don't know, like, I think I just have to practice more, but, yeah. Okay, so, alright, a bag contains 60 marbles, each of which can be identified uniquely by its color and letter. 60 marbles. What? So, what, yeah, 12 times 6, right? That's, nope. 12 times 5. What am I doing? 60, okay. So they're saying that we have 60 marbles, each, they're all just like combinations of these two things. And it says how many outcomes have exactly 3 marbles. What? Wait, what? How many outcomes have exactly 3 marbles that match in letter if 4 marbles are chosen from the bag at once? What the heck? The letters match in letter? How many outcomes have exactly 3 marbles? 3 marbles that match in letter if 4 marbles are chosen. Okay, so how many matching letter marbles do we have? So we have 5 of each letter. And okay, so we have 5 of each letter. And we need 3 of them to have the same letter. This song is so fire, guys. Dorset Perception. Yo, Spangle. We got a little Spangle going on, you know, a little Spangle. Alright. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, bro. My brain is slowing down. I've been here. So I took 10 minutes off. And my dad walked in. Out of 2 hours. So I don't know how much time that is, but I really need to do my homework. That's all I'm thinking about. I just have to do my homework. Maybe 2 hours is the limit, you know? It's the limit. Cause I'm kind of going blank on this, and I still gotta do question 12 again because I remember this was like a weird. I don't know. Excuse me. This was like a weird question, you know. Oh my god, how many ways are there to assign the kids' activities? I mean, dude, it could be any of these. 30 permutation. What if it's that one? How much is that? That's a big number. All right, 30 permutation 30. That's something, right? Oh, it could be that, right? Nah. How many ways are there to sign the... What? So there's 5 can do archery. 10 can do hiking. Oh my god. I went blank on that one. This one. I just need to connect it. I need to connect how to do this to something I know already. Oh my god. Like, for some of them I use bit strings to like do it. This one I don't know exactly. I don't know. I think I have to figure out like how to do this. Bijections, you know? I gotta do something, a trick. I don't know. So camp offers 4 different activities. There are 30 kids in the camp. How many ways are there to assign the kids to the activities? 30 distinguishable children. Okay. And this could be a bit string, right? Could it be a code word? Right? This could probably be a code word. The thing, right? The code words. Because that's a lot of numbers though. 30 goddamn numbers. How do I wait? So the capacity limits 5 kids can do archery. 5 kids can do archery. Is it this? Oh my god, dude. Okay, guys, I've been sitting down for way too long. I gotta take a break. Alright, I gotta take a real, like a walker. You know, I gotta walk around or something, or drink water. Jesus. Alright. I don't know, I'm just gonna like mute my mic or something and just walk around, bro. This is insane. Literally, this is literally insane, bro. I don't know what to do. I mean, maybe I could play a game or something, or like watch some. Maybe I could eat some food. You know, probably eat some food, maybe. I might go to sleep if I eat some food, dude. I might just knock the heck out. Oh my god, bro. I don't know, bros. I'm just sitting here. Okay. I gotta walk around. I said I got. Oh, I want to show you guys something. Oh my god. I found something on the beach with the fam. All right, look, check this out. You guys gotta see this. All right. Look at this. I put it in a Ziploc bag because this is a little messy. All right. Oh, it's turning different colors. All right, look at this. What is this? Oh. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna cover my keyboard. Guys, what is this? Is this obsidian? Right? It's shiny, right? It's black. It's got like a pattern to it, you know, in the light. It's like a weird, it's like a cool little pattern, you know? What is this? Alright. Now this is a little like shard that broke off, but there was a larger piece, okay, that we found, me and my brother, right? And this piece is like kind of smooth where it's not broken. Probably because of the water maybe was, you know, smoothing it out, but it's still shiny. It's still shiny. And we broke off a piece here, right? Here and here. And okay, I searched it up. There's some white spots on it. I don't really know what that is, to be honest. I don't know. I have a clue what that is. But yeah. But yeah, my hypothesis is that this is either obsidian or, you know, what's it called? Obsidian or coal, like some form of coal or like something. I don't know, like something before coal. I don't know, before you get coal. I have no clue. Anyways, here's another one, a different one that is smooth. Right, it looks like a rock, but I think it's the same thing. It's like still got like some shininess to it in spots. You can tell it's still smooth, kind of like the other one as well. So this is kind of almost the same. It's just smaller, but it's a lot smoother. So yeah, I don't really know what this is. I was just wondering what this is. Do you guys have any clues? I don't know who's gonna watch this. Alright, I don't know if people are gonna get this far, but like in the video. Oh wait, I got one more thing. One more thing. I found this rock. I just thought it looked cool. It's red. Alright, I think it's red. Alright, you can't really tell. Wait. I have the light. Oh my god. That's so bright. That's so bright. Alright, you can't tell. Okay. I'm trying to get the lighting. Okay, whatever. Yeah, but anyways, this thing is red. I think it's rust. Maybe some iron or something. I have no clue. I think it's hollow. I never looked into that. I think it's hollow. Huh. Maybe this is straight up like a piece of metal, you know, it's just some metal. Maybe I should wash my hands. I think I'm gonna wash my hands. Yeah, I don't really know. It looks brownish, reddish. A little orangey. So yeah, I don't really know what that is. Alright, if you guys know what that is or have any clues or a way to test what it is, you know, let me know. Alright, let me know in the comments, because surprisingly, alright, I actually read the comments. Alright, I read the comments. I love all you guys. I don't care. You guys are awesome, alright? But yeah, anyways, just wanted to show that off. I've been wondering what that was. It's on my desk. That's how much, you know, I like having weird things like rocks. Cause I was just thinking, like, what if cause if it was coal, I want to burn it. Cause that would be so cool, right? I'll be like, hey yo, I went to the beach and I burned coal that I found on the beach. I think that would be so funny. It's not funny. It's cool, kind of. It's not cool. It's like energy, you know. It's like there's stored energy in this rock, and I want to burn it. So that's just it. There's no other reasoning to it. Yeah, but anyways, I don't want to burn it yet. I want to know what it is before I burn it, so I can brag about it, guys. I just want to brag about it, because if I don't know what it is, all right, there's nothing to tell anybody. You know, if you just burn a rock, you know, I already tried burning it with a butane little tiny lighter. Alright, a little tiny one. And I think it was butane, but you know, it has the liquid gas, the liquid fuel in it. I don't know. But yeah. It's like a little flame that goes out, and it goes out that way. That way. It doesn't go up like the big flames, the big lighters that you use the flint for. You just hold down and a flame comes out. I don't know how that works, but you know how it ignites. But it's pretty cool. But whatever. But yeah, man, I already tried burning it with the flame, you know, and I got it red hot a little bit, like on one spot, and I don't think it didn't burn at all. It smelled bad. All right, it smelled pretty bad. I did it in the bathroom, okay, which is probably not a good idea, like with the fumes and everything, but it smelled bad, so that's a good. I don't know. I think that means something. Maybe there's something in the rock. I have no clue. I really have no clue. But yeah, I just think it's cool. I've never handled charcoal before. You know, of this from the sea. So that could be. Maybe it's. You know, what if it's cool? You know, what if it's something really weird? You know, it's something interesting. You know, it's a rock. It's a rock. Like, you know, I could. You know what I would like to know is what is the atomic like thing? Cause like, okay, there's this guy on YouTube. All right, you guys don't know. I think so. Nile Red is this dude on YouTube, and he makes look at this dude turning children's glue into drinkable alcohol. What? Making purple gold, turning paint thinner into cherry soda. I quit grad school to do chemistry in my garage. That is, so you can just kind of tell this guy is crazy. All right, he's crazy in all the right ways. All right, but yeah, he made a video about atomic spectrometer or something like that, where he could like, you point it at something and it'll tell you what it's made out of, like the elemental composition. And I don't know if it's here, but yeah, bro, it's pretty cool, man. This dude's an alchemist. All right, he does weird chemistry. It's called chemistry, but it's crazy. It's a little crazy. What about Now Blue? I think it's Now Blue because he has 2 channels, I think. Yeah. Now Blue is like, okay, I was gonna say it's safer, but then he says this thumbnail says bomb, so I don't even think it's safer. Okay, what is it? Yes, the ray gun. Look at this, dude. Is it gonna play? So it's gonna play this one, but it's not gonna play the one I want. Look at that. Dude, that's what I want. So yeah, that's what I want to do. I just want to kind of know what's in there. Oh, what if I send him a sample, a little rock, and then he tells me what's in it? Now that's not that cool, alright, to just send it out there. I'm not even a big YouTuber, so I don't even think I don't know what's gonna happen, but this is honestly something that is only if people will watch it, you know, like only if it's entertaining. Maybe he'll do it, like make it into a short or something. Maybe I could tell him like, hey, maybe you could burn this. If this is charcoal, you could put this in a furnace and see all the nasty fumes that come out of it. No, that's not fun. That's like a harm to himself. Okay, look. I've been talking for like 20 minutes. I don't know, 15 minutes. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, I guess. I could take a dookie. So, let me just type something here. Should I? I think I should probably pause. I'll pause the recording. How about that? How about that? I'll pause the recording. I don't know how to pause recordings. I think you could pause with. I don't know, bro. I think another version of OBS allows you to pause. It just says stop recording. Like there's no pausing of any kind. Maybe here. What am I still doing? Alright guys, BRB guys, I don't care, whatever BRB.
Problem is all inside your head, she said to me. The answer is easy if you take it logically. I'd like to help you in your struggle to be free. There must be 50 ways to leave your lover. She said it's really not my habit to intrude. Furthermore, I hope my meaning won't be lost or misconstrued. But I'll repeat myself. At the risk of being crude, there must be 50 ways to leave your lover. 50 ways to leave your lover. You just slip out the back, Jack. Make a new plan, Stan. You don't need to be coy, Roy. Just get yourself free. Or hop on the bus, Gus. You don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key, Lee, and get yourself free. Slip out the back, Jack. Make a new plan, Stan. You don't need to be coy, Roy. You just listen to me. Hop on the bus, Gus. You don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key, Lee, and get set yourself free. She said, it grieves me so to see you in such pain. I wish there was something I could do to make you smile again. I said, I appreciate that. And would you please explain about the 50 ways? She said, why don't we both just sleep on it tonight? And I believe in the morning you begin to see the light. And then she kissed me, and I realized she probably was right. There must be 50 ways to leave your lover. 50 ways to leave your lover. You just slip out the back, Jack. Make a new plan, Stan. You don't need to be coy, Roy. Just get yourself free. Or you hop on the bus, Gus. You don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key, Lee, and get yourself free. Slip out the back, Jack. Make a new plan, Stan. You don't need to be coy, Roy. You just listen to me. Hop on the bus, Gus. You don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key, Lee, and get yourself free.
Alright, I'm back. That wasn't too long. That was pretty quick, not gonna lie. Jeez Louise, guys. Been recording for like 2 hours, bro. Oh my god. I think I want to do a hand cam next time. That seems like fun. I think I have a second camera. What should I do? 2 hours of homework. Okay. 2 hours of homework. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm trying to maintain like a healthy work schedule, you know, like I don't want to work on homework for like 4 hours every day, even though that's not that bad, really. That's not that bad. I don't know. I kind of lose focus sometimes. Okay, maybe more gaming will do it. What if I just let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm playing some Ratio. Let's see. Growth elimination. What is this like? What is this like? Why am I so small? What? Wait, what? Why was I so small? Am I like, what is happening, dude? I'm super small. I don't even have nothing, dude. I don't have no bullet, nothing. My bullets don't do anything. Oh my god. Yes, sir. They're trying to kill me. Alright, let's get some of that. Oh, so this is like Diepio, how it was. Yes, sir. Alright. Oh my god, no. That guy was trying to kill me just by ramming me, dude. Get out of here. Get the hell out of here, boy. Get the hell out of here. Alright, let's see. I think this makes it more fun. Dude, there's some really fast tanks. I think that's so funny. Okay, let's get... I want to get a twin. Let's... A really safe pick would be the Penta, probably. Is this arms rate? Nah, this is regular. Maybe if I was a constructor, that would, you know, that would be really good too. Alright, so we are... so other people have the same idea because there's more pentas around. Oh, the other penta just died. That's not good because that means I have less of a chance. Oh. What the heck is... Hello? Hello there, mister. Oh my god, I'm trying to dodge this. His bullets don't do that much damage. Alright, let's see. Alright, let's get the bullet health up. Alrighty. Let's get more of this. Let's stay away from people. Alright, we're leveling up. Alright, we're leveling up. We are leveling up, my friends. Alright, let's see. There's so many dots on the map, I can't barely tell which one I am. Okay, oh, oh my god, that guy almost killed me. Jeez Louise, my friends. Jeez, actually. Oh, Jesus. My god. Dude, these people are everywhere. Okay, this is not safe. This is not safe. Alright. No, I think we're good, actually. I'm just trying to steal every XP that I can. Trying to walk around, get some XP. Okay, there's a thing. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's 3 triangles. Oh, he took the last one. Darn you. Ooh, there's a good triangle there. Okay, we are almost max bullet. Max bullet. Do the eggs, do these little dots even give you anything? They do, they do. I'm just joking. Let's stay away from that guy. I think he wants to kill me. Oh no! Nah, you crazy. I knew it. I'm staying away from you. Oh my god. Oh, I might be able to get that guy, but... Free XP! Oh my god, dude. He's after me. He's after me. Okay. XP, we need XP, baby. Triple shot. Triple shot might not be a good one, but I don't care. Okay, we need the leaderboard out to see more. Okay, I might be able to kill this man here. Hello there, friendly. Alright, let's just keep going here. Oh my god, this is so dangerous. I can't see anything. Like compared to like what the range is normally, this is like super tiny. Alright, let's see here. Getting all the XP, yeah. Hello there, sir. Oh my, this is green territory. Oh, they're trying to flank me. That's not gonna work. Or is it? Maybe I should stay near my teammates because this is getting a little crazy. Oh, okay, he's trying to get something on me there. It's not gonna work. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness. Would you stop with... Oh my god, it's that guy. No! Oh, if I can get this kill, that would be great news, but I'm being quadruple teamed right now. Oh my god, dude. Oh, no. Oh, please, for the mother of God. Oh! No! Please, no! There's 4 of them, there's no way. I had no movement speed, dude, I couldn't. Oh! Wait, I just respawn? Okay, that's cool. Okay, so I think I'm gonna get this here so I can see my stuff. What kind of tank do I want? I kind of want a builder. Okay, I just got this one. Okay, let's do something. Let's do one. Upgrade that. Okay, that's just pitiful. I got 1 movement speed. Alright, so... Okay. Okay. My god, bro. I was getting quadruple teamed, bro. I was trying to hang on there. Okay, I think I'm good with the bullet health for a little bit and stuff. I want to try to get some movement speed so I do not get cornered again because that was insanity. Okay. Okay, I don't think there's a way I'm gonna kill this guy. Oh. Oh my god. Hello there, friendo. He almost ran into my bullet there. Oh my god. No. Hello there, sir. I'm just collecting XP here. I'm gonna get more movement speed to get away from this guy because this guy's annoying. Leave me alone, sir. You're not going to get me. Seriously, bro. Please. Alright, I think I got a decent amount of movement speed. The more movement speed, the quicker I can escape. Can I get this guy? Hello there, sir. Will you let me kill you? This guy looks a little pointless. Oh, never mind. Fine. Fine. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Alright. I might need bullets reload to survive in this cruel world. Oh my god, that guy's gonna come after me. Oh. No. Okay, let's see. That guy's still following me. Yo, leave me alone, bro. Stop. Okay. So we got a builder. Ooh, I got some decent range going on. Okay. Oh my god. Human, what is this guy? Dude, he's like max level already. Yes, sir. All right, this is a good little team going on here, right? This is the dream team right now. All right, so let's get the stuff here. Let's get okay. There's a character. Ow. Okay, I'm a little hurt here. I would like to say I'm a one shot from being killed. Oh my god, these people. Please. Okay, I got my reload. Okay, I'm just gonna go down. Try to regroup with the team, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I might be able to get this guy. I think it's gonna be tough because I gotta run away from his traps at the same time. Nah, I'm not gonna do it. It's kind of tough. I think it's risky is what I'm trying to say. Maybe too risky. No clue. Alright, let's see if we can get some. I just totally ditched my team, dude. I just ditched the team, bro. Trying to level up my tank, you know, trying to get up all the trying to get all these little things, you know, these little traps and such, these little shapes. Alright, let's see, we got stuff going on here. Okay, I'm really liking my progression. The next one I'm gonna try is auto builder. That's what I want my next class to be. This is gonna be a struggle. Oh my god, no way. No, these people are max level. That's why my team was going around in circles. Jesus, bro, get out of here with that. Get out of here with that. Oh my god, dude, this class is not built like I wanted it to be. Oh my god, dude. So maybe I do have a chance of getting XP if I go up the team. I'm gonna try it. Alright, I got a decent reload and stuff. Oh, come on, let me get the... Screw you, bro. Trying to step... Oh, that's why they're staying away from middle. Obviously, because the blue team... Whoever is at middle is taking everything and leveling up at the same time. Alright, let's see. Oh, lordy, lordy. No! Ah! Why? No. 234. Oh my god, I've been playing for like 30 minutes. I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, I'm gonna try that guy's loadout because that's pretty... Okay. I'm gonna try this out. The sniper loadout. It seems like this is a good loadout because you can snipe people, you know, see further and shoot faster. So, I mean, the bullets are quicker. So that is to keep the people out. Keep the people away, huh? And I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to get higher bullets. Let me see, I got 6 on my bullet stuff. That's alright. Okay, so if I shoot towards the middle, I think I might get something. No clue. No clue. I do need movement speed, however. I'm pretty sure I need that. So let's get some of that. Alright, there's a green guy over there. Let's get some movement speed. Almost level 30. This is the guy who killed me. I don't think I'm a match for him right now because his bullets are probably stronger than mine. We will only know if we shoot at him, but I don't. Again, that's a big risk. Those things like that is a big risk. You know, I don't want to just risk it like that. Okay, so you see my bullets are being blocked by that guy. Oh, please! I'm just trying to get one kill. I think he's running away, but okay, we're about to get quadruple teamed right now, bro. It's Joe. This guy, bro. That guy. I'm determined to get that guy because. Okay, I don't know who to pick right now. Probably the rifle. Yeah. All right. Let's see. We probably might need grip the bullets a little, you know. Oh, he's doing the builder now. I'm sorry for you. The builder is not a good match for this class. All I gotta do is go like this and dodge his bullets, and then I will eventually might get him. I might get him, you know. Who knows? Get some hits on him, you know. This guy's okay. It's free. Thank you for the kills, my friends. This dude is just... I don't know where he went. Is he down here? There's a guy here. Let's see where these people go. So, that's the algorithm. You shoot like this, randomize, and yeah, eventually you get some hits on him. Okay. This is good. Hello, friendy. Hey, I kind of like this algorithm. This is makes it easier to fight people. Yes, yes. It's called the Way of Kung Fu. Arasio Fu. Alright. Arasfu. Yeah, let's get bullet upgrades. I'm more confident in my fighting, I guess, so the bullets are gonna get upgraded. Alright, so, okay, my bullets are pretty strong. Maybe we could use some bullet speed. That would make it harder for the people to dodge it. But I also need to run away sometimes. I think I'm gonna have to put some movement speed into my character. Maybe I'm gonna put health. Okay, I'm gonna put health because I could probably dodge pretty decently right now, but with my movement speed. But yeah, I don't have any health, so if they do get me, on the off chance they get me, I'm dead. So it's like me securing my position or something. Yo, did the blue guys just die because they were at middle and they're not at middle anymore? So something must have happened. Alrighty, so we got stuff. We got some pentagon. I'm almost level 40. I think it's 45 is when the upgrade happens. Hello there. Wow, that gave decent XP. Repopulate. I need people to kill. Do I have anything to say about that? He wants to kill people. Okay, I'm gonna let that be. Let's get some Okay, what I think I want is an auto. Auto tank. So this is the problem when your team is like number one. You just kind of have to like wait for everyone else to come back, you know. But yeah, bro. Do I have any? I have 2 health. This is pretty good loadout, I think. Who's the top player? Is it our team? Yeah, we just destroyed it. Dude, our team just rolled everyone. What is this? This is boring now. Gotta wait for these people to respawn. I thought there was gonna be you know, some type of struggle or something. Nah, whatever. Alright, I'm just gonna roam around the map and see if I die. Or something, dude, I don't know. I gotta give XP to the next generation. Sacrifice. Alright, let's see. Oh my god, bro. Look, I'm trying to take all the XP. I know we're number 1, but I kind of want the XP, bruh. He hit me. Maybe he might have a chance. Oh my lord, it's Joe Obama. I'll let Joe Obama kill me, bro. I feel like he has a better chance of killing people. Let's let him get XP. I'm done with this. That was more than 10 minutes. Way more than 10 minutes. Alright. Guys. Oh my god, bro. I'm gonna wait till 3 hours. Jesus, dude, my neck. Oh my god, dude. I'm gonna have to massage the short out of my neck. Not really, but I want to. Alright, what are we on? 17. Oh my god, bro. What are these questions? Okay. Let's do this. This has to be easy, right? This sounds simple enough. Sounds like sounds like a motherfucking okay. So we have strings of length 9, right? The alphabet is 3 characters, and how many strings are going to have the alphabet? Are the first or last character of A. Okay, my only problem with this is this XOR? Do they mean that it can only have A in the first one, or it could only have it in the last one and not both? Or it could have it in both, or just one of them? I think it's could be both. Right. How many strings of length 9 of the alphabet have the first or last character of A? Yeah, okay, so it could be both. So it's 9. So we have 8 to the 8th. Right? Times 2. Because there's 2 of them. Plus. Oh my god, bro. Not this one. This is so, I don't want this mood, bro. This is not for me. I'm sorry. Crystal Castles. Crystal Castles. Okay, let's see. When do we stop? We have 15 minutes left. I'll just make a timer of 15 minutes. Let's do it. Alright, let's actually do a 14-minute timer so we can be ready. Okay. So how many strings of length in 9 over the alphabet have the first or last character of I? So if they have the first or last, oh, it's 2 to the power of 8. Whoops. Alright, so 2 to the power of 8. And then there's 2 of them for the individual cases, and then we have 7 to the power of, so plus 2 to the power of 7 when they're both occupied with A's. Okay, so this string plus this string is 6. That's wrong. 2. Wait a second. What am I doing? It's 3 to the power of 8. 3 to the power of 8 because there's 3 possibilities. Okay. No, it's not. Okay, guys. I have made an error. What is this? How many strings of length 9 over the alphabet have the first or last character of A? Interesting, interesting. I think I'm gonna count it again, like I did last time. So we have A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 A. So here there's 8 of them, here there's 7 of them, here there's 8 of them. I don't realize, so we got 3 to the 8 plus 3 to the 7 plus 3 to the 8, which is what I did last time. 1, 5, 3, 8, 0, 9. How many strings of length? 9 for the first or last character. So maybe it's not both. Okay, so maybe we just, maybe there is no 3 to the 7. If there is no 3 to the 7, it would just be this one. I see, said the blind man. Alright, so many people must be selected. Oh lordy, not this one. I consider this to be a brain teaser. For me, it's a brain teaser. I don't like thinking deeply about things, but I do it anyways. Alright, let's see. Okay, how many people must be selected to guarantee that at least 2 of them were born in the same month? Guarantee at least 2 of them were born in the same month. What if they were all born in the same month? This is the pigeonhole principle, right? Alright, let's check this out, bro. I don't understand this. This is the pigeonhole principle. Oh my god, bro. Yes. See? This is a goddamn... Each person is mapped to the day of the year. Are you serious? How am I supposed to know that? How am I supposed to know that, bro? At least 2 of them were born in the same month. How many people must be selected to guarantee that at least 2 of them were born the same. So I don't know. It's probably 25, right? 25, because that's the largest number. Month with the most days. Isn't it 30 something days? So how are you supposed to? What is? Oh my god! What? I don't understand, guys. All right, let me just figure this out. Let's say you selected one person, and he was born in June. Let's say you selected 1 billion people, and they were all born in June. Is that how that works? What, like, like, why? What is this? How do you select people that are like? Why are they in different months, or what? Oh my god! To guarantee at least 2 of them are born in the same month. What? Wait, days in the year? But why do they all have different birthdays? They could all have the same birthday. Oh, yes, they all have different birthdays. That's the assumption, right? Yes, sir. They all have different birthdays. Oh, there's 12 months. It's 13. Oh my god, I figured it out. Guys, I figured it out. That is so funny. Okay. That always happens to me, dude. Like, I don't, like, figure it out, and I get, like, kind of frustrated. But, like, I stuck with it. I actually figured it out, so, you know. It brings me some joy seeing that I could figure out this type of question. Alright. Oh, that has to be right? 2 of them were born in the same month. Yeah, because that's the thing. Because if you pick 2 people in the same month, that defeats the purpose. But if you pick 13 people, you know, there's only 12 months, so one of them has to be like the other one. Why is this text and this is an image? Is this an image? Probably because it has some math stuff in it. Yeah, no, I don't know. Oh, yeah, okay. This is that equation. Let's see if I memorized it properly. Alright, we got a plus b to the nth power. To the nth power, k equals 0 to n, h to k, b, n minus k. Boom. Alright. All I gotta do. Okay, all I gotta do. A times, wait, what? A times b coefficient? Let's just say the coefficient is 3 and negative 2. So we got 3 plus negative 2 to the 10th power. What is the coefficient? X3. So what is k equals 3? Alright, so k equals 3 is what is 3x 2y okay, so we got 3x to the 3rd times negative 2y to the 7th. Okay, so 3 to the 3rd is 27. So we get that. Okay. Negative 2 to the 7th is negative Okay, wait, I just gotta multiply them. So times negative 128y to the 7th. Okay, and negative 128 times 27. What I put plus. I was like, why is it less? Alright, negative 3,456, whatever, x3, y7, okay. Okay. That's not right. What? 3 to the 3rd. 3 to the 3rd. 10. Okay, 3 to the 3rd. So 3x times 3x times 3x to the 3rd, and 2 to the 7th. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I think this is why you need Pascal's triangle. Okay. Yes, sir. You need Pascal's triangle, I think. Gosh darn it. So how do you do it in this one? Oh, I didn't even include the combinatoric, the goddamn. Jesus, bro, the goddamn combinatoric, dude. I didn't even do it. Alright, so I got this times the combinatoric. So it's 10. Cheesecake 3, yeah. So negative, okay. I thought I had that correctly. I did not. Did not memorize that formula correctly. I can't forget the combinatoric. Okay. So how many? Oh my god. Dude, this is paining me. Why? I have to learn this, dude. I literally have to learn. There's 2 more quizzes after this one. There's one about probability, and then there's another one for something I don't even know. Okay, whatever. So we have how many different 7-digit numbers can be formed using digits 1 through 7. What the hell? And then the resulting number is odd. Okay, that's cool. How many different 7-digit numbers can be formed if each digit is used a single time and the resulting number is odd? Seven-digit number. Okay, so it's very simple. It cannot be even, and if it's even, that means it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, there's only 1 through 7 though, so it's 2, 4, 6. So it cannot end with 2, 4, 6. I like counting in evens. I don't like counting in odds. I just write them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it has to end in 1, 3, 5, or 7. Alright. So if it ends in a 1, right? Oh, Jesus. Dude, that actually scared the daylights out of me. Alright, that's it. That's it. No more homework, bro. No more. 3 hours, alright. 3 hours. That's sitting down. Whatever. Yes, I do my homework at 9 p.m. I brought my Rubik's Cube, but I didn't even use it. Alright. I'll solve the Rubik's Cube. This is my ritual, alright? This is my ritual. This is really noisy. but I'm still doing it. Alright, it's taking me. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Okay. Did a little bit of a shuffle there. Okay, we got this. You do the white cross, and then you do the 2 layers. Right, you do 2 layers. Okay, and then you do this. Okay, and then it's orange, and then you go like that. Okay, and then you get this corner. Okay, and then you go like this. Okay. Okay. Oh! No. Oh my god. Okay, I put it back, Whew, I went too fast there. This cube is not really that used to it. This is the original Rubik's Cube. It's not really a speed cube, so it's kind of like ratchety. Yeah. How long did that take? 2 minutes almost, I guess. 2 minutes. That's pretty good. Alright guys, that's my ritual. Alright, my ritual. Now it's perfectly flat. Alright, it's just a regular old cube. Alright, if I was at the store, you couldn't tell the difference. Alright, peace out, people.